Okay, once you have your design ready to go, you want to go ahead and get your supplies together. You're going to need your thread. Sewing machine is pretty much necessary for making an applique. I've never seen anybody do one completely by hand that's completely secured on the way it will be with the machine. You want to have your adhesive paper, which looks like this, and it has basically a glue on it and just paper on the back. It usually has something on it kind of like this, so you'll know it when you see it in the store, and that has directions on there too, specific to which adhesive you buy. Some stitch and tear, which is what we're going to use for our backing, and your scissors and an iron, and you're going to need your fabric. And make sure when you pick your fabric you want something that you're going to be able to iron, or you're not going to be able to use your adhesive. And you also want to get something that's not too thick, because if you get too thick then it's going to not stick as well to the fabric, and it's going to be harder to get it to fit with the other fabric. And go ahead and make sure you get colors that are all going to kind of play together. And once you have your supplies, you're ready.